Salesforce is one of the most powerful tools for pipeline management, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Salesforce effectively to manage your pipeline from start to finish. Stick around because you'll learn some advanced tips that can save you tons of time and boost your sales process. Before we dive into the details, if you're new to Salesforce or looking to upgrade your plan, you can get a completely free trial with exclusive bonuses using the link in the description below. Make sure to check that out. First things first, Salesforce allows you to track and manage all your sales opportunities in one place, which is essential for pipeline management. The beauty of Salesforce is that it provides a centralized dashboard where you can visualize your entire sales funnel in real time. This means you'll never miss an opportunity, and you can immediately spot which stage your deals are in. Next thing, let's talk about customizing your pipeline stages. Salesforce makes it simple to adjust the stages of your pipeline based on your sales process. Whether it's awareness, qualification, or negotiation, you can tailor your pipeline to match your specific workflow. Customization is key because it allows you to track the progress of your leads and identify any bottlenecks in your process. The third thing, using filters and reports is a game changer in Salesforce. With just a few clicks, you can filter opportunities based on specific criteria like deal size, close date, or lead source. This feature makes it easy to prioritize high-value prospects and ensure your sales team is focusing on the right opportunities. Reports allow you to dive deeper into your data and gain insights into trends and patterns that can help refine your sales strategy. The fourth thing is automating tasks and workflows. Salesforce offers powerful automation features that can streamline repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up automated follow-up emails or reminders for your team when deals are about to close. These small automations free up time for your sales team to focus on building relationships with prospects rather than dealing with administrative tasks. Next, let's talk about collaborating with your team. Salesforce has built-in collaboration tools that allow your team to share notes, updates, and files in real time. This makes it easier to stay aligned across departments, whether it's marketing, customer service, or sales. By having all this information in one place, your team can make faster decisions and improve overall efficiency. The final thing I want to mention is the mobile app. Salesforce has a powerful mobile app that lets you manage your pipeline on the go. Whether you're at the office or in the field, you'll have access to all your pipeline data, meaning you can respond to leads and make decisions even when you're not sitting at your desk. That's it. With these key features of Salesforce, you'll have a powerful pipeline management system at your fingertips. Remember, if you want to get started with Salesforce, you can access it for free from the link in the description below and get exclusive bonuses. In case you missed it, make sure to grab that extended free trial to really get a feel for how Salesforce can work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.